pleasant good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the on-time departure of our service. Flight 521 is destined to Ogallala with the next stop being Barbados. In command this morning is Captain Ricardo Phillip. With me the flight deck is First Officer Ron Francis. My name is Houston. With me is Janelle. We'll be assisting you in the cabin today. Once aboard, Captain Phillip estimates our flight time across to Barbados on next stop to be just about 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's 1 hour, 5 minutes. Ensure for takeoff, your seatbelt is securely fastened around you. Tray cables in the upright locked position. Armrest down when the shades are open. We are required by the local health officials to spray the cabin. Janelle will be doing so shortly. Please cover our clothes, mouth and eyes for a brief moment while this is being done. It's indeed a pleasure to serve you today. To make yourselves comfortable and enjoy the flight with us. Thank you. no electronic device sign is switched off and is on in the interest of safety. We ask that